None of us like vocabulary drills, right? Let's make it fun with the word doff. Doff might sound old school, but it's a game changer for your GRE vocab. So, what does doff mean? Simply put, it means to take off or remove. Imagine you walk into your house and doff your hat. Easy, right? Now let's look at why knowing words like doff is so important for the GRE. The GRE tests your understanding of complex language. Here are 3 quick examples to solidify doff in your mind. 1. After a long day, she doffed her shoes and relaxed. 2. He doffed his cap as a sign of respect. 3. The actor doffed his costume backstage. See how versatile it is? Mastering words like doff can make your GRE prep smoother and more effective. So next time you study, think about how each word fits into your everyday life. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's conquer the GRE together.